The name of my poem is What is Life? One day I think myself, what is life? I confuse deeply about it, and then I went to the house of a rich man, burst into laughter, and I asked about it, and he said, life is money. And then I also went to the house of a poor man, trembling in his sleep, and asked about it, and he said, life is struggle. And I also went to the house of a lazy man, dreaming in his sleep, and asked about it, and he said, life is bed of roses. And I also went to the house of a youngster, enjoying life is its pool, and asked about it, and he said, life is full of pleasure. And then I also went to the house of the writer, hoping for his story, and asked about it, and he said, life is an ancient mystery. And I also went to the house of a soldier, standing with a gun, and asked about it, and he said, life is a battlefield. And I also went to the house of a judge, sitting on his seat significantly, and asked about it, and he said, life is a judicature. And lastly, I asked to prayer also, and he said, life is only the way to reach God. But I say, life is a series of experience to be taken in one stride, and life is but a fleeting soul, and life is indeed a joke, and life is indeed a classic sort, and life is a dutiful postman, and life is but full of sorrow, and life is but a gleaming shadow. Thank you. Eternal love, oh dear founder, oh our master, you met our eternal home, only but eternal stays of universe. Oh founder, your name will be immortal in the heart of all the YouTubers. Grow your channel academy. Time will pass year after year, but won't forget the secret. Know your thoughts for these YouTubers. Oh dear founder, can I tell the people, we have mastered. Among these YouTubers, oh founder, time will pass and may come the departure. Hey, why tears fell down on your eyes? Are you weeping? Are you despair? But the diamond brights eternal love in the sky.